Heavy-duty sprinkler timer. 360-degree swivel pure brass inlet. Upgrade waterproof and intact LCD screen. Oversized dial. Waterproof battery compartment. 2 AA alkaline batteries. Do not moisten the battery and battery compartment. Keep your hands dry. Step 1. Set clock. First, turn the dial to set clock. Second, press plus or minus buttons to set the current time. Third, press OK button to switch hours and minutes. Tip: press and hold plus or minus buttons for 3 seconds to set time rapidly. Fourth, turn the dial to save changes. Step 2. Start time. First, turn the dial to start time. Second, press plus or minus buttons to set the start time. Third, press OK button to switch hours and minutes. Fourth, during start time, press 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 to switch zones. Fifth, turn the dial to save changes. Step 3. How long? First, turn the dial to how long. Second, press plus or minus buttons to set the watering duration. Third, press OK button to switch hours and minutes. Fourth, during how long, press 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 to switch zones. Fifth, turn the dial to save changes. Step 4. How often? First, turn the dial to how often. Second, press plus or minus buttons to set the watering frequency. Third, during how often, press 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 to switch zones. Fourth, turn the dial to save changes. Note: the options which how long is greater than how often will be automatically skipped. To keep zone 1, 2, 3, 4 always off, you can press plus minus buttons to set the how often of zone 1, 2, 3, 4 to off. Automatic watering. Turn the dial to on to start the program. When watering is on, LCD screen displays the remaining time of the current watering program. When watering is off, LCD screen flashes between the next watering start time and the current time. Manual watering. First, with the dial at on and the timer is not at rain delay, long press manual button 3 seconds. Second, press 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 button to select the watering zones. Press the number button again to cancel the watering zones you select. Third, after selecting watering zones, press plus or minus buttons to set manual watering duration. Press OK button to confirm. Fourth, manual watering starts and LCD screen displays the remaining time of manual watering. Fifth, to cancel manual watering, turn the dial to off and back to on. Delay watering. First, with the dial at on and timer is not watering, long press 3 seconds delay button. Second, press plus or minus buttons to select 24, 48, 72 hours for delay. Press OK button or wait for 3 seconds to start rain delay. Third, rain delay starts and LCD screen flashes between the current time and the remaining time before preset program resumes. Fourth, to cancel rain delay, turn the dial to off and back to on. Stop watering. Turn the dial to off and the timer stops watering.